All right, welcome back to Mr. 160. So before we get started, we're going to get to the point, make this quick, fast, and a hurry. I don't want to waste your time. So what you want to know is you just picked a platform to invest with, either with stocks, either with Forex, futures, options, or whatever else you're interested in. With that being said, it is time to do your own due diligence. So there are free platforms where you can do your own due diligence. The first one you want to check out is your trading platform. You may have an area in there for analysts, and you also may have an area in there for news. So you can get a combination of that in your platform, but look at that first. Now, say you don't have it or you're not interested in the platform news. Maybe you think it's biased. That's fine. Well, you can come here to bar chart. It's one of the easier first places you can go. It gives you a lot of great information. Of course, you see right here stocks, options, ETFs, futures, currencies, investing, news, tools, and where you can learn. Now, when you sign in, you can make your own account. You can get a watch list. You can come right here to the first page. It'll give you the biggest and best news stories, which is today on Friday the 20th in January, stocks are climbing for technology. Woohoo, yay, we love that. Next thing, we got FinViz. Now, FinViz is another site. It essentially does the same thing as bar chart, but a lot of people will come to FinViz specifically for this option, which is the heat map. Now, the heat map is used to tell you at a glance what stocks or investments are doing well and doing bad. This can give you an opportunity to get in at a low point or at a high point, depending on how you trade. Now, you go through the major sectors here, which are technology, communication, consumer cyclical, consumer defense, energy, real estate, industrials, financials, healthcare, there we go, basic materials, utilities, and capital market. Now, these things are generally going to tell you the overall strength or weaknesses of the market. That's not a bad thing. That's a great thing. You also can use it for news. Now, the news on FinViz is pretty much updated minute by minute. You usually get a brand new story about every 10 to 15 minutes in here. You also have access to blogs here. So if you actually have a Seeking Alpha account or you have an account with one of the other major financial blogs or financial news reporters, you'll probably find the story here if it doesn't come up on your phone or computer as an alert. Now, one of the last ones I'll use for a free research or a free place to do my own due diligence is the Forex Factory. Now, I do like to play with Forex. It's like a hobby. I'm not like seriously invested in it, but this site is great to tell you fundamental news before it comes out. It may not even be on your radar, but if you come to the Forex Factory and type, all right, there we go, click on calendar, you can do it for a week, you can do it for a day. Now, starting out at the beginning of this week, which was January 15th on a Sunday, I'm going to look down. I'm going to see if I have any red folders for the U.S. because I'm mostly invested in U.S. stocks, and I do use the U.S. pairs for Forex. So I will look down here. I see I have this. So this is not for the U.S., but I do trade the GBP USD pair. So I have a red folder there on Wednesday, the 18th. Now that's important because that could move the market in Forex. Now, if I'm looking for the stock market, Wednesday was a down day. And one of the reasons it was because of this important news that came out, which is completely fundamental. Core PPI month over month, core retail sales month over month, PPI month over month, retail sales month over month. And if you're like, I don't know what any of this is, there's a detail button. Open it up. It actually tells you what this is. So what is this? Core PPI. All right, well, all you got to do is read. That's it. Change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. And if you look back, it tells you what they did previously, what was forecast, and what actually happened. So this is a great way to start back testing pairs if you're in Forex or big moves in the stock market. So if you see big moves, look back. Was there a big news day to make those big move days? So I'm hoping this information will prepare you for any situation that you're in, and you can get prepared by being prepared. Now, with that being said, this was a quick 5-minute video from Mr. 160 on how to do your due diligence in a nice, easy, free way. Here's 3 resources, actually 4 if you use your broker. All right. Have a good day. See you again.